Member of Parliament for North East St. Elizabeth, Evan Redmond, says he will not endorse any of the candidates vying for the seat in the upcoming runoff. People's National Party Deputy General Secretary Basil Wade and former Mayor of Black River, Everton Fisher, will face off in the selection exercise next week.
After serving one term, businessman Evan Redmond is calling it quits as Member of Parliament for North East St. Elizabeth.
It was my decision from I offered myself that I will be serving for just one term.
The verdict is still out on his performance as MP, but already People's National Party supporters are looking ahead. Deputy General Secretary of the PNP, Basil Wade, and former Mayor of Black River, Everton Fisher, are vying to replace Mr. Redmond, who himself had to face the delegates before he was confirmed as the PNP's standard bearer in the last general elections. He was expected to do battle against Raymond Price, who dropped out of the race days before the selection exercise. There was division then, and party officials are bracing for the fallout which may occur in the upcoming vote.
I'm not absolutely sure whether this will affect the organization, the unity, but I will do whatever I can to ensure that unity prevails. When I offered myself with the hope that I would have been able to unite the constituency. I have so far achieved that, and I would love to see that unity remaining in the constituency.
A little over 1,000 delegates are expected to vote in the selection exercise next Sunday. As for the current MP, he says he's not taking sides.
I would only say to them, I wish you well and operate a clean campaign, bearing in mind that you are both comrades.
Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.